Combined Impurity Remover can be used for industrial hemp, flax, kenaf, and the other similar fibers removing impurities. Removal of non-fibrous debris. Make the fibers clean, uniform, and loose. Improve fiber quality and grade. Easy for subsequent processing. The operation is very convenient. High production efficiency and safety factor. First of all, we first roll with fiber pressing machine. Second, use our willowing machine again, separated by combing rollers, to get a loose uniform fiber, and some non-fibrous impurities are separated out. Third, reuse our circle screen machine, using the principle of drum to clean up impurities. Want cleaner fiber? Reduce the impurity content. Can be equipped with multiple willowing machine plus circle screen machine, multiple removal. Make the fiber cleaner. Higher quality double guarantee. Comparison before and after impurity removal. Combined Impurity Remover. Let our labor productivity be greatly improved.